remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.